Hello everyone, so today I'm continuing to edit a couple more photos from the previous shoot, and this time I'm choosing the one that with Kylie with the 23mm f1.4 excuse me, and the Fujifilm X-T3. So let's get started, and the first thing I want to show you is these are all in the classic chrome right now. So if you want to change to classic chrome and change to the other one, you can base on your feed to change different ones. Right now I like the classic chrome. It has a nice magenta in it, so just set it as classic chrome right now. The first thing I'm gonna do is to retouch a little bit on the skin here. So let me retouch a little bit on the skin. Okay, so after that, I think the lighting is good. I'm just need to reduce a little bit of the highlights, increase the contrast. Okay, so the overall frame, I can adjust the yellow also, just slightly a little bit less, make it more toward the red side. And the green, so you can see the blue. I'm gonna reduce the blue also, so from the outfit. Okay, so I'm gonna smooth out a little bit around the eyes area. Okay, so that's good. And then I'm gonna do a portraiture 3 because this is not the backlights. I can use the portraiture 3, just do a quick mask on top of the original photos. And let's see, so wait for it, and then it pops up, and then I will choose the skin color and then do a mask on it. And then that's done, and then you can see that it's much a nice smooth. And then the next one, I'm gonna copy these couple ones to have in a similar range. Just copy them, do some quick retouching. Smooth it around the eyes area. Okay, so that's good. And looking around to see what else need to be added. This is too strong of a light right here, so I'm gonna reduce the strong light. Do one more. Then smooth it out so that it is not that obvious in here. Okay, do some minor thing here. Okay, that's good. And so it's not very obvious in here. You can see that the white dot is very obvious in the back. That's why I'm gonna crop it out. Okay, that's good. Slightly adjust the orientation. Okay, the lighting overall is good. Maybe a little bit more shadow in this case. Just have some more shadow in the front. Maybe just like this. Okay, so that's good. And then the next I'm gonna do the Portraiture 3. For those of you who want to check it out, this is one-time paid plugin for the Lightroom. You can just search Portraiture 3 Lightroom plugin. Just go to the company website to download, pay for the one-time fee, and then download that plugin for the Portraiture 3 plugin for Lightroom. And you can just do it quickly. Just do a mask on top of that. And I don't do all of this unless there's a nice even lighting. I can do it with the nice even lighting in here. Oh, this one already edited before, so this one is already edited before. And let me edit this one then. So let me slightly adjust. Okay, so smooth out the skin a little bit in here, soften. Okay, so that's good. I can see this one. Let me update this one. Make sure to choose the area that are close to each other. Now smooth the skin out a little bit. Okay, so that's good. And then it's a little bit detail in here. Okay, so after that I'm going to do the Portraiture 3. Once I export it out, and then I go to the next one, do some quick retouch on the face also. Okay, the next step, smooth the skin out a little bit. So once I finish the smoothing the skin, I'm gonna reduce the blue. Like this, and then later I can do some frame style edit in the visco also. So that's it. Let me do the last step and then finishing off this editing process. I have some other things in here, but let's keep it around 10 minutes. Right now it's at 11 minutes, so let's edit this one. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.